Alright, we just put this one up in the stand. Let's see where this one's going to come in at. Obviously it's heavy on the bottom, so we're going to cut a bunch of metal out of there, down there. So this counterweight is not heavy enough, so we have to make it heavier. And that's because someone drilled those big ass holes in there. Now we got to compensate for those stupid holes. So it looks like we're not too far off center. A little bit onto the right side. And how much weight are we out? Quite a bit of weight, just like before. Alright, and there's no holes to worry about on this side. Here's your timing mark over here, so you know where you're at. Alright. So more weights on this side here. Alright, going to drill some holes in here and get started. Back to a normal drilling job now. One, two right here. Put 4 holes on the top right here. I'll put 2 more on the sides. I'll bring it in. Alright, let's see how close we are. All right. So it's even heavier on this side now because that hole was already drilled in there a little bit on that one side. I just drilled it deeper. So we got to put a hole over here to bring it back to center, which is no big deal. Okay, let's see how far out our weight is. Not too bad. But once again, I don't like drilling real deep into here. It's not that thick. I'm already in there that deep, so I don't want to go all the way through. Alright, so we're going to put 2 holes here, and one will be deeper than the other. Alright. I had a lot of material to remove. I would put 3 holes in, but 2 will do it for now. Now the farther the weight is off the center, the less it matters. So you drill a lot over here, it doesn't do much. You drill right here, it makes a big difference. So these holes can be a lot deeper. Doing this by eyeball, so pretty close to what you want. Okay, that hole's twice as deep as the other one. Okay, deburring. So I could use a brush like that, but it's no fun. You can't poke holes in your fingers. Alright, I didn't cut too much yet. That's always a plus. Okay, it's bouncing around. Looks like it stayed where it wanted to be. Oh, that's surprising. That's really surprising. Why is it so far down there? Didn't expect that. Ain't that special. A little bit just past dead center going that way, so it's on the right side. Let's turn 90 degrees, see how far out we are. Very little. It's not much. Okay, all the drilling is going to be on that hole right there. You can see how deep this hole is and how deep that one is. So all of these holes are similar depth here. This one's going to go deeper. It's close, real close. Just continue with this a little bit more. Okay. Shift over. Now coming back. Still dead center down there. Now if I drill just a few chips out of here, it'll shift over real quick. You can see this is 90 degrees of weight, so it's the maximum amount of movement for least amount of weight removal. But right now I can still just drill that one hole and do what I need to do, so I'll just keep doing it in one spot. You can see how little I'm going to take off. It's not much movement there. About the same amount I just took off again, probably. That should just about do it. Like that. Hopefully I didn't take too much. Yeah, it's still moving, that's a good sign. Which side's it moving to? It's going down, so. Ooh, shifted. Nope, going back. Going back. Okay, it's starting to go back that way now. Because the amount of metal removal is so little, it doesn't take much to shift it. Yeah, still doesn't look like it did much difference there, does it? So you can see how deep that hole's getting now, but still it's only this deep, so got a long ways to go yet. Okay, same cut again. Not moving very fast. It's still moving though. Going the right direction. Picking up momentum. It's going toward center now. Yep, going back. Okay, keep doing the same thing. Just almost stopped. All right, not as much as I just did, but take some more out. Keep going until you go too much. Oop, right there. Let's see what we got. Doesn't want to drop. It's trying to, but I don't want to. The burrs in the shaft are stopping it from moving. It's really, really close. It's not wanting to move. I think we're going to saw that one close enough. See, it's got just a little, one more chip to make it probably perfect, but when you're just stinking close, it doesn't really matter, one chip, but I'll hit it one more just for the hell of it. All right. Not moving. That's where I laid it. I'm going the wrong way. Probably on a burr. To drill. I'm off center where I drilled. It's pretty close. Yeah, that's good. All right, there you go. It's balanced. So we took all the weight off, pretty even. Where'd they drill at? They drill over here. Like I said, you can see how they're off center slightly. You see how this hole's deeper on this side of the flywheel. So I had to drill more out on that side to compensate for it. See? That's how it works. And all of these holes right here, I bet you add up very closely to what these three big ones are. So a lot of times I take these little wheels and fill all these holes in, put it up on a jig, and it's just almost perfect when you're done. Because S&S had it balanced to begin with. So why did you have to change it that much from what they did? You don't. Alright, well, there you go. Two of them done. It's on a high spot, obviously. Alright, so there's two done. Two screw-up wheels, two good wheels. There you go. Alright, we'll be back.